The best budget drawing tablets don't sacrifice quality, but instead they offer surprising amount of features in a reasonably priced package. From impressive displays to clever extras, there are plenty of reasons to stick to the more affordable graphics tablet. And if you're looking for one, then this video will help you out in choosing the best budget drawing tablet. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which tablet did you like the most. XP Pen Magic Drawing Pad, best budget drawing pad. It has XP Pen Drawing Pad is the best budget drawing pad or a pen computer under budget price. It's often seen as a strong alternative to an iPad, although it does lack in some areas that the Apple model doesn't, like it struggles with certain simulations. But let's get away from the negative and see what positives it has. It has got a good size. The XP Pen Magic Drawing Pad is a dedicated portable drawing tablet that is specifically designed for creating art. It has a wide compact screen with impressive resolution and flexibility, so you can sketch, edit, stroke, doodle and so much more on the attractive display. The stylus is a standout of the show as it has a 16K pressure and it is great for repetitive strokes across the screen. So this tablet has many things to like on. So buy this amazing tablet for its lightweight, portable and not too badly priced. Standout stylus is good alternative to an iPad. Links are provided in the description. Wacom One, the best budget drawing tablet from Wacom. Wacom is well known for its superb drawing tablets and is just as capable at the budget end of the scale as it has at the flagship end. If you want to get the Wacom experience without breaking the bank, then the Wacom One is a great way to go about it. Unlike many other affordable graphics tablets, Wacom One has a built-in screen. That means you can look right at the work you're creating on the tablet, which makes things just a little bit easier. It has a signature Wacom build quality, feels fantastic when drawing and doodling, and it's highly flexible, allowing you to use almost any stylus you fancy. Speaking of the stylus, the pen the Wacom One comes with is not the best we have seen, that you cannot compare it with the Apple Pencil. But it does the job right for the price it is coming with. However, there are a range of great stylus that are compatible with Wacom. If you want great accuracy, you can spend more money and buy it. But buy this tablet for its good value for money, premium drawing feel and reliable and well built. XP Pen Artist Pro 16, the best budget touch-enabled pen display, which is great to you. If it's a pen display you're after, then XP Pen Artist Pro is the best budget pen display for you. Another fantastic model from XP Pen, this affordable pen display has a surprising amount of tech packed in, and it's taken some of the best features of the screen, like the quick keys to allow for more drawing space. The 2K resolution display could be better and it's nowhere near the quality of Wacom. Cannot compare both the products from Wacom and XP Pen. Both are the different companies that concentrate on the different things. Its color coverage ratio and lighting tech is still good, and the stylus more than makes up for the display thanks to its 16K levels of pressure. The XP Pen Artist Pro 16 is easy to set up and create with, plus it can be used as a second screen for professional artists and students. Buy this amazing tab for its touch-enabled anti-glare display, accurate and responsive stylus, and off-tablet quick key remote. Zensi Labs Pen Tablet, the best budget drawing tablet or best compact budget drawing tablet. Zensi Labs Pen Tablet is the best budget drawing tablet under very low price and offers an incredible amount for its size. While its drawing area is lot smaller than some of the other options in this list, it has a value added extras like two stylus pen and a high quality travel case for ultimate portability. It's a good beginner's tablet. The Zensi Labs Pen tablet small is a very easy to set up and use, so new digital artists won't be feel difficulty while using it. They can learn faster. The screen and accompanying pens are nice to hold and use and providing clean and accurate sketches and strokes. It has a good pressure sensitivity and tilt, and it will do a great job for all your creatives. Buy this amazing tablet for its excellent quality and value for money, portable for traveling, two stylus included. XP Pen Deco MW, the best budget drawing tablet under very low price. If you're looking for a very low budget or best cheap drawing tablet, then this one is the best one. The XP Pen Deco MW is our top choice, recommended for the starters or the beginners who has very less amount to start with. Not only is it affordable, but it's good choice for beginners, and as it has a pinpoint accuracy and responsiveness that rivals even more expensive tablets on the market. This entry-level tablet has some impressive specs and features, including ease of setup and use, and its stylus pen. The stylus has great 8192 levels of pressure and tilt that works nicely over the medium-sized display. The XP Pen Deco MW comes with multiple colors to choose from, and it's fun tablet to experiment with, especially if you are just getting into digital art creation. Buy this amazing tablet for its good choice for beginners and tighter budgets, colorful and wireless connection options, and reliable brand. Yugi M908, the best drawing tablet under budget price or a very low price. The best budget drawing tablet for under $50 or under 3 to 4,000 Indian rupees is the Yugi M908. While it may look small, this drawing tablet offers excellent responsiveness and a large drawing space, making it great value for money. With a solid build quality, the Yugi M908 can transition with you from a beginner to a professional artist. The Yugi M908 review, you can find it on the internet, or I will provide the link in the description. So you cannot find it in most of the countries, but you can import it, or you can easily buy it from the international e-commerce websites. Buy it, you will not be disappointed. This is the best one. The accompanying pen is light, comfortable to hold, and has shortcut buttons on the side for easy editing. It runs smoothly across the display and has a good spring, and it has a 16K levels of pressure with a 60-degree tilt, which is pretty admirable for such a cheap price. Buy this amazing tablet for its good amount of active drawing space, very responsive and portable and easy to travel with. So these are the amazing budget drawing tablets you can buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.